Oh, the winds are coming. What up, Burches? Today is a very windy but good day. That's right, folks. We are experiencing Windigeddon Part 2, Revenge of the Gust. I don't know if any of you have lived in Utah since 2011 or were around in 2011, but we had this massive windstorm just like destroyed a whole bunch of stuff, overturned semis on the freeway, some people lost their trampolines, some people got new trampolines from, the ones that lost them, but stuff ended up all over the place. It's crazy. Well, today we are experiencing some, wicked heavy, strong, fast gusts of wind. Gusts of wind is what I meant to say. But it's crazy. I went to work today, and they ended up closing the mall because all kinds of crazy stuff was going on. In fact, I'll put that right here. Take a look at this. Here we go. Don't let the door beat you up.
Oh my gosh. Oh! Kick it out. Oh!
Be careful! Go, you're good.
Oh my gosh.
This is a joke. I can't breathe. Look at it. Oh. Dude, look. What is that? Metal. Dude, trash cans are strewn. Another shard of metal. Dude, what's going on over here? That is getting ready to pop out too. Yeah, it is. Oh, there it goes. Didn't go very far. Sounds like the earth is moving. Of course you get inside. Oh! It eats through your soul! Jason, you're gonna die! Here's the first one. Oh man, it's been nuts, but I'm home safe now with the girls. We have no power, and Kaylee can tell us more about that. Why don't we have any power?
The whole neighborhood heard a boom, power turned off, and figured out that a transformer actually exploded.
That's right. We're not talking like Optimus Prime or Bumblebee here. An actual transformer blew up somewhere in the vicinity of us. As of 10 minutes ago, I read that on Rocky Mountain Power's website, over 170,000 Utahns are without power currently. But apparently they have crews out in force trying to put things back together. But it is insane out here. Oh, the winds are coming.
I'm so scared.
Scared of what?
Like that, a giant tree, like the one that's over there, is gonna fall on top of us.
It's way too far away.
It's a giant tree.
Whew. What? Did you get blown over? You good?
The wind's so strong, it's coming in the house.
And so we're just chilling, no power, watching the wind just rock the world right now. This is nuts.
It's also so cold. Like this morning, we left our windows open and the
Yeah, like
cold
the
air blew in, and like the curtains were going everywhere, and it was so freaking cold.
It's been wild. There was like an Arctic warning, like an Arctic wind warning or something like that.
Storm.
Arctic storm warning. Apparently, I think the mountains are supposed to already have some snow on them. Yeah, we better stock up on water.
At least the water still works.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, we got water.
It's only
I was
that.
able to take a shower. Now we're just gonna be stuck in the house bored all day.
Yep.
So what are we gonna do?
Down she goes. All right, things have calmed down quite a bit outside. They said we're gonna have a lull, but then it could pick up again tonight with even faster winds. So we're gonna go cruise around, see if we can see some of the havoc that's befallen our little community here. So let's go take a look.
I hope to maybe see the lights.
Like a downed power line?
That honestly would be kind of cool, but super sketchy.
That's the thing with this. Like, it's so, I don't know, it's weird. Maybe a lot of you are like us. Maybe you're not. Maybe we're just super abnormal. But it's fun to see destruction happen, but then I feel bad. Like you feel bad in the aftermath, because it sucks for whoever it happens to. I'm truly sorry. That's so difficult. But there's a reason we go to like demolition derbies and things like that. Like just to see the power of like the earth is just awesome. Oh my goodness.
Sad. That whole tree is over.
Just ripped up. Oh no.
Oh my gosh. Dang. This neighborhood got hit.
Yeah, they did. Jeez, look at that one too.
Oh, sad. Oh my gosh, look at that completely.
Got the mailboxes.
This. Oh my gosh.
Oh, look at power pole. Yeah. Like a light.
Yikes. That flagpole don't stand up straight.
Oh, watch out for this tree. That slid across the road to get to where it is.
Dang.
Look at this.
Whoa. Look at that.
What?
Back there.
Oh, dang.
Oh.
Just like the mound of roots coming out of the ground.
Crazy. That's a pretty big tree,
Yeah,
too.
it's a hefty one.
Dang.
Look at that, there's like a wire
Yeah.
in there. The other tree also on the ground. Oh, and don't forget that tree over there. Look there, that's an aspen tree. You can tell that by the way it is. It's hanging out on
The sign.
the bus sign.
There's another one on a
geez.
power line.
These ones. Oh, that one's on a car. Oh, that sucks.
Bummer. Dang.
Oh, that one's giant.
Whoa. That one's on the house.
Oh, that sucks.
Whoa. It tore off the roof. This house.
Porta potty down! Porta potty down! Someone
No.
wasn't in it.
Look at that. The Sally's thing.
Yeah. Shredded.
Yeah.
These signs all janked up.
Yeah. Surprised the flower pots are still hanging. Like,
Yeah, we were making that joke this morning. I was like, who is their florist? They need a raise.
oh, one of the flower pots is down over there. Apple is alive and well.
Random stuff is Probably
all
cleaned
the
up most of it.
stuff.
That one held on, but look, there's a hole in the glass.
Oh yeah, it broke the glass. And that one's gone.
So that power line, look at it. You see it over there?
Oh yeah.
It's just at an angle. It was ripped up. That car has been there since this morning. That SUV thing.
Well, we are back home. Still no power, unfortunately. So we are candle lighting it.
Look at this! I'm a freaking genius! Babes! Come here!
What did you put in it to hold it?
You melt candle wax down at
Oh.
the bottom, and then you put it on it.
Nice.
So now I got one of those old timey, like, is that Bob Cratchit I hear?
Well, we only have 3 candles, so
At least they smell good, though.
yeah, that's true.
They're good smelling candles.
Yeah.
Why does that matter?
But since we don't have power, we had to go get food so we can eat
Here, let me
dinner.
help you. If you can't see that.
Yep. Fun
By the
stuff.
light of my candle, I will lead the way.
Are you one of the 10 virgins?
Those lamps were lit by oil.
Yeah.
This ain't fancy enough for that.
Well, let's eat. I'm hungry.
I'm starving.
I think she's hungry too. Oh, can you even see her? There you go. Hi.
I see you.
There you
No,
are.
don't touch the fire. I love you, baby. Don't play with the fire.
Do we have someone outside fixing the power? Are you done with no power for 3 days? Little messy hair kid. Ooh. Is he fixing the power? Is he fixing the power? Now you got your shield. What's he doing? Ready for power to be back?
Yeah, I want a normal life.
We want to get out of the 1800s.
Yeah.
Yup. Back to crazy 2020. Power. It's been a long 3 days.